Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm super excited to do an updated Q&A for you guys, so you guys can get to know me even better. I think the last one I did was a couple years ago and a lot has changed and you guys have new questions. So I went ahead and did questions via Instagram stories, and I had you guys submit anything that you guys had, honestly any topics, and you guys had so many questions, literally. So we're gonna get through them in this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to quickly answer your questions. Honestly, they're from health to relationship to hair, so I'm super excited that you guys were interested in so many things. But let's go ahead and get started. So I'm sure this is someone who is Ethiopian, but it is, can you do iskista, which is the traditional Ethiopian dance? And absolutely, like, you're gonna be shocked. Obviously, I used to be a dancer, but I love to iskista at weddings, at celebrations. My brother and I used to be like the ones to jump in and partake and get other people to dance. I just love dancing, I love music, and I love the energy. Are you fluent in Amharic? Amharic is also one of Ethiopia's native languages, and my family speaks it. I can understand probably 90 to 100%. The problem is that I never really practice speaking at home, so I can really only speak about 30 to 45%. And if I really try, I would be totally okay, but obviously now that I live outside of my family home and I don't really have a chance to speak it, it gets harder and harder, but I do want to learn. That's my goal. I want to be able to teach my kids how to speak it as well, because they're going to be learning Amharic from me, English from the both of us, as well as German, since my husband is German. So let's find a different type of question. How did you and your husband meet? So I actually have a full video on how we met. We actually met in college. We both went to Virginia Tech, which is an in-state school here in Virginia, obviously, and we met at the gym. So go ahead and check out that other video so you guys can hear the full story. I'm so happy we met at the gym, which is like the most randomest place. I was sweating, I was working out, but we had that full like eye contact, like I see you, you see me. Why are we staring at each other? Next question is, how tall am I? I am actually 5'6", 5'6 and a half. A lot of you guys say I look taller via Instagram pictures, but I'm 5'6". I actually really like my height. I feel like it's a good height. All right, next question. They are asking, what did I get my degree in? And I studied finance as my major, and my minor was international finance. What's my profession and what was my major in college? So yep, I studied finance in college, and then I'm actually doing what I studied. So I am a financial analyst, and I deal with numbers on a daily basis. Are you planning on getting your master's degree? That's a trick question for myself, honestly. I have been back and forth on what I want to do, and obviously the longer you wait, the harder it is to go back, but I'm trying to decide whether or not it's right for me. And I don't want to do it for my family, and I don't want to do it for anyone else other than myself, because I'm the only one who will benefit from it. So I'm kind of contemplating what subject I'd be studying, what type of master's I'd be getting, where, obviously, and just trying to find the right time. Obviously there isn't the right time, but if you guys are dealing with the same inner struggle, let me know so I don't feel alone. All right, the next question is, do you see any cultural differences because I'm in an interracial relationship, interracial marriage? The honest answer is yes. The American culture and the Ethiopian culture is super different than the German culture, just in kind of small differences to big differences, but it's never gotten in the way of our relationship. I've actually loved getting to know his culture and seeing how they do things over there. There have been many lesson learns between us and trying to figure out the right balance. So yeah, obviously in any type of situation where you come together with two different types of people and two different types of background, you will face some differences, but it's how you approach them and move on. How old am I? I am actually 24, turning 25 come December 9th. So I am a Sagittarius. Next question is, what state/country do you live in? Actually, I live in the United States, and I live in the state of Virginia. my whole life. How did you know what you wanted to do in your career? That's a great question. I still don't know. But I got a lot of guidance while I was in college, and a lot of guidance from my mom, who supported me. She was kind of the person that helped me decide, I would say. But at the beginning, when I first started school, I had no idea. I actually went into school as a undecided student, and then I believe my sophomore year is when I actually declared a major and joined the finance department, the business school, and it's honestly been the best decision. I always knew I loved numbers, I love networking within a company, within a business, and I really like presenting and providing information to business people. Next question is, how often do I trim my hair? Answer is 3 to 4 months, sometimes 5. The other day I got a little scissor happy, and I cut off a few inches only because I really needed the trim and I was too lazy to go to the salon. I wouldn't recommend this, but at this point, like, I feel like you can't really tell with my hair and the length, and so I probably took actually maybe 1 inch everywhere, so that wasn't even that much. I'm good. Next question is, do I take hair vitamins? I don't take any particular vitamin that's only for hair. I take biotin that helps with my skin, hair, and nails. I deal with a lot of breakage with my nails, so I really wanted to make them strong, and then obviously hair growth is nice. I haven't seen a big difference with the pills, but I also just started, and I know it takes a few months to see results. How many kids do I want to have? Honestly, if I had a lot of money, I'd have a big family, but I would do 3 to 4. I'd be happy with 3, but I'd also love 4. How do you pronounce your name? My first name is Hermela, Hermela, and every time I go to Starbucks or any other place and I pronounce my name, people hear C, so they say Carmela, and I'm like, nope, it's with an H, it's Hermela. So yeah. Alright, the next question is asking if I have any tattoos, and I do. I have one, and it's on the side of my rib. It is an Ethiopian cross. It's probably the most painful 5 minutes of my life. How many times a week do you wash your hair? Once, but if it's really bad, or let's say I worked out and I sweated a lot, twice, but never more than 2 times, and I try to do once and hopefully make the style last for a whole week. How do I handle heat damage? I haven't dealt with heat damage in probably years. When I did a big chop in 2013, that's when I had the most, and it was due to me constantly straightening my hair, which was probably once a month, which is so bad. But I was under pressure to feel like I needed to fit into society's norms. And what I did was I chopped it, and then now I really only straighten my hair once a year. Like, I haven't straightened my hair since January, and I probably will do it this January when I go to Europe, just because it's easy for me to maintain and to kind of live my day without feeling like I need to do my hair while on vacation. So when you deal with heat damage, the only remedy towards it is to cut off the damage. No magical deep conditioner or anything's gonna fix it. The strands, the pattern of those curls are damaged, and so you kind of need to start fresh. So that's my recommendation. How to get my skin to glow, I mean entire body, bless you. When it comes to moisturizing my skin, I am an addict. I love to exfoliate my body while in the shower, so I do that twice a week. While in the shower, I exfoliate. Because I did laser hair, I no longer have to worry about shaving, so no more ingrown hair or discoloration, hyperpigmentation. So after I exfoliate, as soon as I jump out of the shower, I always apply lotion. I lather it in, and now that it's getting cold, I'll put a lotion and then a body oil just to get really moisturized. As for face, I literally never sleep with makeup on. That's about the worst thing you could do to your skin, as it gets suffocated with all of the oils, the toxic just like garbage that's in your skin. So I've been asked this question many times and I never really address it, but this question is, what curl pattern is your hair, and how do I keep it so defined? So the first part of the question, I never really publicly answer my hair type or hair pattern, and it's I think 3B, 3C, Yeah, I think it's around there. I have a lot of different types of patterns all throughout my hair. For instance, the back of my hair is super tight, and then the top can be a little bit more on the wavier side. But yeah, I think 3C, 3B, yeah. How do I keep it defined? I always use a gel after applying products. A styling product, the gel will allow it to be super defined and then seal in the pattern. What stresses me out? A lot. Just kidding. No, I don't get stressed easily. It's more so when it's I have a lot of deadlines, when like business work and then finance work, when they're both busy and I have deliverables, I get a little bit anxious, but I feel like that's when I work my hardest, and that's when I feel like I'm the most creative, when I'm put under pressure. As for other things, I don't let things get me stressed. I like to deal with things head on. I try to be a little bit more organized the older I get, to be as productive as I can be with my time. Will there be a wedding, and when, where? Details. Absolutely there'll be a wedding. We had a courthouse wedding just a year and a half ago, and it was honestly the best decision we ever made. We will be having a traditional normal wedding down the road. No idea when, probably within the next few years, but we're not really in a hurry. We're just super happy and in love, and it's been the best decision of my life. And so as for a wedding, yes, it's coming. I definitely want to be in a wedding dress. I want to have wedding pictures to look back on and all that stuff. So I will let you guys know as soon as I know. How often do you get stopped while you're out and about to get asked about your hair? Quite a lot. Or at least once, probably every time I'm out. It's like the nicest thing. I never get sick of it, obviously, because they're just being nice. And I'd love to share my knowledge on hair in public if people ask, because they're really interested and they want to take care of their hair. So I try to share the knowledge when people come up and ask me about my hair. Hi Hermela, what is your workout routine and what motivates you to stay fit? What motivates me is honestly watching workout videos on Instagram, just seeing those girls stay motivated and watching those workouts and exercises and how good they look motivates me while I'm on the couch watching Netflix or binge watching Love Island. Currently, my husband and I's current workout plan is we work out Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Before we go to work, we wake up at 5 and we get to the gym and have an hour and a half workout. Will you be going to Ethiopia anytime in the future? By the way, I love you so much. I love you too, girl. But Ethiopia is on my 2020 goal list, vision, all that. I'm speaking it into existence. It's about time I go back. It's been 12 years. My dad lives there and my brother and his family live there as well. And so it's just about time. I feel like Ethiopia has changed since the last time I've been there. I would love to be there, see my extended family, and just enjoy my heritage, my culture, and my homeland. So hopefully next year. I'm not sure when exactly. Tickets are kind of expensive, but I need to go. I really need to go. Alright guys, that is it for the Q&A. I hope you got to learn so much about me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. If you guys have other questions, even more, go ahead and comment them down below in the comment section and I will answer your questions if they are appropriate. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed getting to know me. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you guys are having a great week. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time.